Hi. Welcome to the video where I tell you what PancakeSwap is, how it works and why there's so much excitement around it. After watching the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. I make educational videos about cryptocurrency trading. PancakeSwap is currently the fourth most popular decentralized exchange with trading volume of over $1 billion per day. If you don't know what DEX is, how they work and what functions they provide, then you've come to the right place. First, let's break down the concept of a decentralized exchange. In contrast to the classic exchange, DEX does not store cryptocurrency. There is simply no deposit functionality. The platform only acts as an intermediary between the buyer and the seller, and all further exchange of cryptocurrency goes directly between the wallets of users, and the decentralized platform only observes that all the conditions of the transaction were met. The advantages of this solution are obvious. There is no single wallet, which can be hacked and steal all user and exchange funds. Also, you do not need your personal data to conduct trading operations. The disadvantage of decentralized exchanges is low liquidity. It is often difficult to hold a large amount of cryptocurrency at one time. But this problem is becoming less and less significant as DEX grows in popularity. DEX trading volumes are growing every month. And by the number of unique users, the best DEX is even in the top 10 on a PAR with all crypto exchanges. In June 2021, PancakeSwap ranked 4th among all crypto exchanges by the number of users, with 46 million visits. PancakeSwap was launched in September 2020 based on Binance Smart Chain. The project is in partnership with Binance, so they can be trusted. Although the functionality of the platform is very broad, it is very easy to get started with PancakeSwap. First, we need to connect a wallet that works in the Binance Smart Chain network. There are 7 wallets to choose from. For example, let's choose MetaMask. After that, the platform will ask for permission to connect to your wallet and automatically connect your wallet to Binance Smart Chain, if you have chosen a different network before. After you successfully connect to the site, you will see your wallet displayed in the upper right corner. You now have access to the advanced functionality of PancakeSwap. First of all, the platform is designed for exchanging tokens within Binance Smart Chain. When you click on currencies, you can see the entire list of available tokens for exchange. In addition to everything else on PancakeSwap, you can also earn by renting out your tokens. The section next to liquidity allows you to become a liquidity provider for the exchange. In simple terms, this means renting out your tokens to increase liquidity on the exchange. For that you will receive a commission every time our token is used in an exchange. In PancakeSwap, this is called farming. Prediction is essentially a game of luck with a 50/50th chance of whether the price will go up or down. You choose the direction of price movement in 5 minutes and make your bet. The odds of winning depend on the total amount of other players' bets. Winners share the bets of losers. In the lotto section, you buy a lottery ticket, thereby adding to the prize pool. The more numbers you match, the higher the winnings. In addition, you can win NFT tokens for participating in draws or just buy them in your profile. In the IFO section, you can participate in the purchase of new tokens. PancakeSwap has already become more than just a decentralized exchange. It's a big game with pancakes, coins, and loot in a nice cover. Users have clearly appreciated this approach and continue to invest their tokens in the project, farm, and replenish liquidity pools. Thank you for watching. Like this video and write a comment. I suggest you watch my new video, which is now shown on your screen.